What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Most of my face is done, my makeup is done, except for my brows. Today we are going to be trying out the e.l.f. Holy Smoke Micro Tip Fine, what is it? Micro Fine Brow Pen. I have been looking forward to trying this one out. I've been seeing little advertisements on my phone of this dropping, so it is a newer product, not brand new, but I just found it at my Shoppers today, so I was like pumped. I wanted to try it out. I have been using the NYX brow, which one have I got here? 3-in-1 brow pencil in the shade Ash Brown, and I miss having a microfine tip pen. I really love the one from NYX. That one is just amazing. So this one is about $9 on the site. I think I paid 10 something in store Canadian. I got mine in the shade Neutral Brown. I don't know if I already said this. So the microfine brow pen is a 10, creating natural looking hair-like strokes with the precision tip. Don't stress about brow pen newbies. The light buildable pigment makes it basically impossible to e.l.f. up. That's cute. So we are going to try this out today. So if you guys would like to see my brows finished and see how this Holy Strokes a micro fine brow pen from e.l.f. works, then just keep watching. So we got a thunderstorm, a brewing. My kids are out golfing, so I'm just waiting for a text to pop up on my screen and be like, come and get us, we're stuck in the rain. So let's see if we can get through this video without having to do that, or I'll have to go out with like one finished brow, and yeah. All right, this is quite petite. Let's see if I still have, I think I threw it out, probably because it was finished. As I wanted to show you guys as compared to the NYX one. I don't know why I hang on to these things. It is so finished, but perfect for a moment like this, so you can kind of see the size difference of how much product you're getting. So for the lift and snatch, I think it's about gonna run you around $15. And this product lasts forever, so I'm really biased to the NYX lift and snatch. I don't know if I said it, but there's 9 shades in this e.l.f. one, but this does look ultra fine because it's so petite. I'm wondering if it has an even thinner, yeah, it's thinner than the one from NYX. All in nice and close, and I'm gonna try to do my brows for you guys right up close and personal. Got my mirror here. I'm gonna try not to go out of frame. Okay, come on now. I wonder if I have to, oh yeah, it says shake well. Shake well, friends. Okay. Please don't be a disappointment. Please don't be dried up. I'm gonna stop the camera for a second and see. Wow, this is actually like not even coming out. Like, I'm gonna have to bring this back. That sucks. All right, hold that thought. Stay tuned, we'll be back. So I went back to Shoppers and got another brow pen. Let's see how this one works. I did open it up in the store and kind of swipe it. It seemed like it was a little bit more productive than the last one, but I'm not gonna hold my breath. So far, not good with these brow pens. Let me know if you've had any issues with them. They did have a 3.3 star rating on their website, so I don't know if this is a problem other people are facing as well. Ooh, so annoying when you are excited and you want to try something and then it's a total bust. Okay, let's try this again. Neutral brown should have like some pigment to it and not be non-existent. This one feels a little bit more like moisture, like things are coming out of it. Not that it really has a strong pigment. And it's like, can you even really see the hair like strokes then? So there's some pigment to this one. Not much. Like if this is the pigment you get, I don't know. I don't know. Like you really have to build it up then. Don't waste your time and money with this one. I would get the Lift and Snatch from NYX. Now I'm gonna have to spend double the money because I have to get the NYX one. This is, what a letdown. Like, is that how it's supposed to look? Like super de-duper faint and you're supposed to go over it like 100 times? Oh, that's too bad. That's too bad. That's super lame. Yeah, you can't mess it up because it's non-existent. It doesn't even come out. Alright, this is as far as I've gotten with it. I am not going to keep applying pressure to it and like scraping it along my brows, so I'll finish off my brows with my NYX 3-in-1 because I do want to have some brows today. What an utter disappointment. Like I could have gotten 2 duds, I guess, but I want to go on. I want to go back on the website and see what they say, like why it has a 3.3 star. Like if a lot of people got dried up micro pens. It had all of the makings of a great product. It was so petite. Could have made the finest hair-like strokes if there was any sort of product that came out. Bad brow day. All right, so some of the reviews were like best brow product I ever tried. Obviously, they had one that worked well, I guess, for them. I don't know. And then there were quite a few like 1-star, like dried up, no pigment. Someone commented, oh, you're not using it properly. You have to hold it upside down for 15 seconds, shake it, and then apply more pressure if you want darker pigment. No, I did that. It didn't work at all. So I think there's a lot of duds out there, maybe with a few good ones. Maybe it's shade by shade. Um, Maybe some shades are better than others. Anyways, here's my finished brows using mainly the NYX 3-in-1 Brow. Great little product, but yeah, if you want those nice fine hair-like strokes, definitely try out the NYX Lift and Snatch. You will not be disappointed. I love it. All right, thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.